Yo, yo, yo. Hello, what's up, everyone? And hopefully, everyone have a really great day. And let's talk about what we have been doing today and what is really going on. Okay, so hopefully, everyone do really enjoy this live streaming sessions. And let's begin today live sessions. Okay, so before we begin, let's discuss about what is really happening and what is going on. Okay, so actually, we have been doing short positions right now and our stop loss is above right here because we do believe that the market is going lower, but right now because that the dollar index is going higher, I mean it's continue going lower, so this is actually a really big influence for now. But at the moment we are keep on thinking that the price will be going on the lower sides. So this is our expectations for now. And if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and do follow us, okay? Because we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday. From Monday to Friday, and like and subscribe, okay? From Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. Okay, so let's talk about what we have been doing. So today we have been doing short positions from the goal. Seems like it's not looking good because I was thinking that the market momentum is actually starting to go lower. Price do really reflecting on this resistance area, and we do see that it's actually going lower. But this is quite unfortunate because we do see that this momentum is quite similar on this one, so I do think that this might be the same thing as well. So if that's the case, we might be seeing something like going above and reaching back something like a ranging level. So this is actually not a really good sign. So if we do lose this trade, then we are losing about 300 something, but we do see that 75 is actually a really strong resistance area, so we are actually expecting that 75 is actually a really strong resistance. So let's see how it turns out. So right now seems like the price is actually reaching through some kind of strong momentum on the upsides on this one. So this is actually a really quite a burden for my sides. So let's see, 1 hour time frame, 18, 16, 17. Yeah, seems like maybe reaching back to 75, and do see that will be going lower, but let's see how it turns out. Okay, so let's hope for, if the price do really show some weakening, I will be planning to do shorts, but if the price do really break through this 75 area, then I might be seeing that the price might be continue going higher. So need to be aware of that. The price still really shows some weakening, I will be planning to do shorts, but if the price, so remember, we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day. Give us a like and subscribe. So give us a like and subscribe, and do follow us on our live streaming sessions. Okay. So as we mentioned, right now is, I think, the most significantly, the worst part is that the dollar index is actually showing some sign of going lower. So because the price of dollar index is actually reflecting on breaking through, forming back and breaking through. So, yeah, more or less, I think this is the main reasons that the gold market has been continue going higher, or the silver market is, especially silver market is also going higher. So, yeah, not so sure. That's the internet. Okay, let's see. Seems like the internet has been really broken recently. Hopefully we are actually looking good. Might see some time. The internet is not looking good. Hopefully, it's actually looking good later on. It's really lagging. It's actually reconnecting it. Hopefully, everything is moving out. Okay. Yeah, I think right now it's actually moving out. Okay, I'm not so sure. Recently, my internet is actually quite broken recently, so hopefully everything is smooth. Okay, so we have been doing short positions on the gold market and expectations that the price of gold is going lower. But it seems like right now it's still some resistance at the moment. So if the price still really break through on 55, then we might be in some kind of trouble at the moment. If the price go back to 75, break through 75, then we might be losing on this trade. If everything is good, I do think that the price will be going back to the lower sides for the moment. Let's see how it really goes on, because we do see that the upwards momentum is likely to be higher at the moment. So we might be seeing it. Oh, today we have another contestant, so it's actually quite good. So hopefully everyone do really like my content. Give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Mm, quite lagging. Someone commenting it. Okay, so remember, if everyone do really interested on joining it, give us some like, comment, and give us some support. We'll be doing live sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 11 to 12. So hopefully everyone do give us some support out of it. So right now we have been doing short positions, and let me explain why I've been doing shorts. At the start, we have been seeing that the price still really reflecting on this major resistance on 90. So this 90 is actually really strong resistance from Monday to Friday. So from 90, we can see that the price really reached through some kind of major resistance. And once the price has been reaching through, going back, breaking through, and we do see that the price is actually remaining on the lower sides. As I mentioned, 58 is actually the major supporting level. So once the price do really reach through this 58, it's quite actually quite similar on this one. So this is actually the same time. So once the price has been reaching through the same time, the price has been spiking up quite significantly in a short period of time. So this is not what I'm actually expected to. So at this moment, we do really see something important. Okay, so we do see that the price is actually reaching through quite significantly. And then reaching through this is a major resistance area. So if the price didn't really break through this level, I will be much more leaning to see the price to go lower. So we might need to see and how it turns out. So right now is actually a really crucial area. Can't say much. If a price really break through, means that the price will be forming a ranging level. There's a high chances that might be happening. If that's the case, then the price might be forming some kind of divergence. I mean, we can consider it as a divergence triangle. But to be honest, I'm much more leaning to say that the price will be going lower, because we do see that the trend is actually not that strong. The uptrend is not that strong, and we do see that there's a really major resistance on 75. Unless the price do really break through 75, then that's a different story. So let's see how it turns out. So maybe this is the lowest of the week, or maybe this is the highest of the week. So yeah. Okay, so we'll be continue doing short positions right now. So I'm not so sure can we hold it down. If we can hold it down, I do expect that the price is going lower, but sometimes major resistance is not quite good, to be honest. 717273717273谨慎下来的话，都不用进到没有？看一下71的话，我们都拿到 71，we might be entering, might be getting 866 lah. Not so sure can we get back to this level as well. Uh, right now the market is actually showing some kind of signs, so not so sure can we get back to this lower sizes. So let's see. Okay, silver is actually showing up some sign as well. I think the most unexpected one is the euro USD, because I do expected that the euro USD might be reaching back towards on the lower sides, to be honest. My expectation is that the Euro USD might be going lower, so I am actually wrong this one as well. Price is actually accumulating it from here. Wanted to break lower, failed to, and price really reaching through, breaking this, remaining on this above sides, grabbing it, and continue going higher. This one I didn't really expected that as well, but we do can try to see on the Euro USD and see how it turns out. So Euro USD is actually quite interesting. So I think we can actually see something else. So let's see, can we see anything interesting at the moment? So Euro USD is actually quite strong. Let's see. Let's see. I think a price, once the price has been reaching through this level, it still really shows some signs that it's wanted to go higher from the Euro USD pairings, because we do see that the Euro USD pairings is actually reaching back towards on higher sides. So it's actually quite interesting. So this one is actually breaking back. This one is really, how to say, too bad. Was thinking that price might be continue going lower, but either to say sometimes we might be wrong, but once we are wrong, we need to admit it, okay? Because trading, we need to accepting that everything is actually taking risks, and we need to manage our risk properly so that we can actually win at the long run, okay? So once the price has been reaching through this area, seems like this is actually the major supporting level. uh, this is actually possible that we can do long positions from here. And what is the timing? Let's see, 10 o'clock. Let's see, 10 o'clock. Starting from 8, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, maybe can try to do long positions and putting stop loss from here, expecting that the price might be going higher. There's a chances. So too bad. If we can get it, I think we can actually do something useful on this one. So this is actually quite a good trade, but uh, who knows? We didn't really expected that go market. Seems like it's not quite likely to go lower, so we might be taking this loss again. But if we do get it, I do think that the price should be showing some kind of signs of weakening down later on. Maybe starting from 11 or 12, there's a possible that the price might be showing some weakness. later on 11 or 12 because it's due seems like uh the ending of the 4 hour time frame. So I do really expect that the price is actually showing some kind of signs of going lower. But everything is quite hurtful to say. So right now it's actually I was thinking to do short positions. If I can redo it, I think I might be giving out 71, 72, and 73, putting stop loss for 50 pips. If we do 69, 50 pips, we also hit our stop loss. Not looking good. Seems like the price wanted to go higher. Yeah. If we do hit our range, 75 is actually a really major resistance area. For our time frame, continue to bounce back. Same thing as well. But I do think, well, shit, not looking good. Keep on from 9 o'clock, the price keep on going reversal. Quite, quite curious about it. Didn't have any news, and then 9 o'clock reversal. Think we might be losing on this trade. Uh, yeah, I think we might be losing on this trade. Shit. Fuck. Stop loss had hit. Dollar index is continue going higher, and shit happens. Uh, no point lah. I was thinking that price might be continue going lower with the momentum changing, but this kind of momentum it's a bit hard to predict sometimes. So, uh, boom, 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 trouble. I think I might be waiting for some confirmations first, only giving out. Hmm, 3 o'clock. Yeah. If we do give out 71, 5, 4 pips, I also gonna 50 pips is 76. Also gonna be, wow, shit. Shit happens. Yeah, I don't, no matter what, I'm also losing on this trade. What is really going on? Price is actually forming some kind of ranging area, so it's not strong momentum or going downsides. Continue expectations that price going lower, but this trade is actually quite interesting on this one. Usually my expectation is that going higher reaching through both sides. Friday, Tuesday. I think we might be hitting our stop loss on this one. 55 do really show some resistance, but once one breaks to this level, give us some signs of weakness. We might need to see some weakness first, only that can try to do short positions. Weakness like what? Strong reversal. Um, this this kind of trading quite hard to expect. But I do think we might be hitting our stop loss lah. Highly chances. As I was thinking the price might be hitting this lower sides. It seems like the price wanted to go back to a ranging level first, and afterwards might be going lower, maybe tomorrow. Ranging. I do really hate ranging level. Fuck. Fuck the ranging. Okay, so we do see that the price is actually reaching to this 78.6. I think this is actually a really strong ranging level. Seems like it's actually showing some signs of going ranging because it's a actually quite strong supporting level. So I'm expectations that the price might be going ranging for now and forming some kind of resistance maybe around this level. There's a chances. But yeah, I don't think the price might be holding out lah. So we hit our stop loss. Probably hit our stop loss. Shit. But once the price break through this one, it's different story already. Hmm. Let's rewind what we have been doing from the last day. Yeah, hit our stop loss. Was thinking to do shots. Plan we have been doing shots from this level. Expectations that the price is going lower, but price bouncing back. Hit our stop loss on this one. Too bad. Was thinking to do shots positions and aiming back, but the price has been reaching through a really strong reversal starting from 9 o'clock. Quite similar yesterday. So yesterday we also see this kind of trend like this one is also the same thing. So you can see starting on 9 o'clock, the price has been giving us a really strong reversal, same as this one. Not so sure is it because of the US Open. So yeah, not bad. Today we got 4 people watching. Social what is happening? Shit. Okay. Confused. Just now lost connections. Yes. Recently my internet connection is not that good. So I'm not so sure what is happening, but the connection is not that good. Seems like the market wanted to go higher really. So my strategy. So firstly, I was thinking that the gold market going lower, but shit, this this strong reversal, quite strong at a short period of time, same as yesterday, wow, spiking back. So not looking quite good about it. And we do see that it's quite similar starting from shit. Starting from here, we do see that the price is actually reversing. From here, we also see price showing down, reversing down. Looking sure. Hmm. This one really hard to expect. Let's see. If the price really break through this one, I do think it's quite likely to going back to the top sides. So right now we do see there's a major line from here. So I do expecting that this line is actually the strong line and price should be reaching back someone back to the downsides. Going back to the timeline, I might be doing another long positions, another long positions later on. So let's see. Seems like the gold market might be continue going higher again. Okay. Not bad, huh? Today is looking quite good, huh? The views are not bad. Today live chat is actually looking good. Views on and off, but it's actually quite great. Growing, showing good sign. Uh, but price is actually reversing back. Let's see. Price to really reach you from 18, 11. I do think the price might be showing some kind of ranging from now on. Do you think the short at yesterday close? Do you think the short on yesterday close? Yesterday close, you mean yesterday closing price? Short at this level. Yesterday closing price is right here, 80. Not likely, but yeah, I think today the market is actually reaching through some kind of ranging lah, because what we can see right now is the price is actually reflecting on this supporting level. So you can see that the price is actually reflecting on this major supporting on 78.6. So this is actually giving us a really good sign saying that the gold market is forming a big ranging level starting from here and here. If you watch closely, we can see that this is actually what we call a expanding triangle at the first time, and then after that, the price will be directly showing a I mean a triangle, descending triangle. So you can see that this is actually an expanding triangle at the first thing. Price is going highs and price is going lows from here. So it's actually expanding from highs and lows from here. Even though it's not a really obvious one, I can say, but this one is actually showing us that the volatility is actually showing us some kind of expanding and descending. So yeah, I think it's actually showing us some kind of lowering down. So today I don't expect that the market will be breaking through any directions. So yeah, we have been failed to do short positions from here lah. To be honest, I have been doing short positions starting from 68 and 69 and 70. This tree area is my major resistance area. I was expecting that the price is swiping low, and once I see this, it's actually giving us some good signs. But the price didn't really remaining back, so it's not quite good lah. So you can see it's not really remaining back, and once the price breaking through, then it's actually not looking good. So yeah, too bad. Really can't hold it, really can't hold a good downtrend. If we do can hold it down, I think the price should be at least going back to 56 or 59. But seems like the market is actually showing some kind of uh triangle sides. So it's a bit hard to trade lah. Yesterday, I'm also thinking to do shots on Euro USD, but the risk reward ratio, and once we do shots from here, but our stop loss is about 8 or 9 pips. Once we hit our stop loss, and yeah, we didn't really do much about it. And yeah, silver will be continue going higher, and right now, our current expectations for now is reaching back to 38, maybe around 38 area. So yeah, oh, so remember everyone, remember to give us some like and subscribe and this one. So give us some like and subscribe and give us some support, okay? So like and subscribe. We'll be doing live streaming sessions for now for every day. So hopefully everyone do give us some support for now. Okay? Mm-hmm. Let's see. Shit. I think I need to be much more focusing on the market already. Recently have been smoothing out. But yeah, it's actually quite good at the moment. Wow, the view is actually looking good, huh? The view is actually looking quite good. It's increasing. So yeah, I need to improve the content. I think we might be need to improve the content in the future. And the stability, internet stability is not quite as strong as what I think about it. Okay. So right now, I won't be doing shots anymore, to be honest, because once the price has been breaking through this 75 area, it's much more likely to see that the price is going higher. If I'm thinking that the price is showing up some kind of, I mean, if I really wanted to do long positions later on, I'm probably doing, I probably will be doing at this level, 72. I probably will be thinking to do 72, but I'm not so sure where can I get to. So I might be doing at 72 area. So 72 is actually give us some clues about it. So 72. Okay. So I think maybe we can try to do 72 area. And yeah, let's see how it turns out. 72 is actually the major supporting level. And let's see how well can we get it. If we do get it, I think we can actually get somewhere to 80. If we're lucky, I think we can actually get to 80. Or if we do really go through good signs, I think we can actually get to 80 or maybe 82, 84. If highest, I think we can actually get back to 90 as well. So right now, I'm thinking that the price should be some kind of slowing down. So once the price going back to 72, we'll be doing another long positions and let's see can we get back. Okay, so let's see. I think we can actually safe to say that might be getting back to 80. So let's see. But Matthew is thinking on doing shots of 80. I think the price might be spiking up 80 and then slowing down. So if you wanted to, you can actually wait for confirmation first. Only then try to do. Then I think should be a quite a good sign. Mm, let's see. Yesterday was not giving us a really good sign. So remember, hopefully everyone do really enjoy this live streaming sessions and give us a like and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe is really important to give show us your supports. Okay. Seems like the price is actually slowing down, so we can't do much about it. Dollar index is actually forming some kind of supports. Yeah, I think I need to look through on the bigger picture. Bigger picture is that the price is actually slowing down, so should be forming a big ranging level. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So let's see, can we get anything else? So we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions. So hopefully everyone can give us some kind of supports, like and subscribe. Okay. Oh, but quite lagging on my internet. Okay. So let's see. Uh, didn't really expect that. To be honest, I think because of the dollar index is actually weakening down. Once price really reach through this nation area, I think the price is actually showing us really good signs of going lower. Really, didn't really watch through. Was thinking the price is continue going somewhere high. This week we have been doing really not that great. GBP is also shit. Uh, didn't really expected this this site. Wow, really quite similar on this one. It's actually the same thing. Price is reaching through, then forming resistance and going lower. And this is actually the same thing, resistance, this, and then going lower. Once the price do really reach through and then bounce back. But this is much more weaker, but it's actually the same thing. The price do really bounce back. So if I do really wanted to expecting that, I will be using this 78.6 this level, this resistance area, 83. I think the price might be reaching to 83 Yeah, I think 80 to 83 level, 82 to 83 level. I think price might be reaching there. So let's see, can we put it back? 80 to 83 area. Uh, Alright, damn. Still better. If not, this is reaching true. Didn't really expecting this. Reversal, strong reversal. Mm, Price is actually reaching to this level, reaching back to the lower sides. Mm-hmm. Yes, reaching back, reaching low, rhythm going lower, reaching back, reaching lower, lower. So hard to ready to return to for the lowest needed to try. Okay. Hi, sir. You trade with your own account or profit? Yeah, we trade with our own account right now. Okay, so right now we are trading with our own account. So, you're asking profit account, but we'll be challenging on the profit account on starting on tomorrow. So I'm not so sure when is it up, but probably will be starting soon. and then we'll be changing our title and so on. So once we started to challenge our profit account, we'll be putting on our thumbnail and also on our subtitle to letting you guys know what's the process and what we have been doing. Okay. So we'll be keeping on track of it and see how we can do much of it. Okay. So give us some like and subscribe. Okay. If you can give us some support, this is the best situations. Okay. Remember to give us some like and subscribe. Okay. Um, so let's see. I think we can actually do long positions because the price is actually showing some kind of resistance area from 76, 78. So it seems like it's actually slowing down. So probably later on the price might be slowing back and give us some kind of slowing tone. Then afterwards, the price might be keep on going higher. I think the final sites, I guess, will be going back to 80, maybe around 80 to 81. So yeah, so okay. So as I mentioned, we do really speculate that the price might be going lower and see how it turns out. Okay. So hopefully everyone do really like our content. Give us some like and subscribe. Okay. Remember to give us some like and subscribe and do follow us. Okay. So give us some support and see else. I think I can actually save and call it. I can actually use another account. I think this range is kind of difficult to trade. It's possible to go up or down. Yeah, looking at like it's possible, but I do think the market is actually reaching back to this level, forming back. So I'm much more leaning to see the price close above lah, but won't be closing this level. So it's probably continue going ranging, starting from here and forming something like a divergence triangle of some sort. So yeah, it's a bit hard to trade recently for the gold market perspective and silver. I think might need to readjusting my whole strategy, so I will be much more convenient to trade on later on the news, the next time news. Okay, so but we'll be definitely starting on, and we'll be readjusting our content as well in the future. So what we'll be adjusting on our content the first thing first, I think I'll be adjusting on the live streaming sessions. Maybe we'll be giving out some educations purpose on the first sessions. In the beginning, we might be giving out the book map as well, but I'm not so sure my computer is it supporting or not. But I think I will be making some educations and also on the process on about my problem challenge account. Yeah. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, so I think the price is actually going higher. Price is actually showing up, going back to this supporting level and bouncing back. Seems like the market don't want to go lower right now. From here is also the same thing. Well, don't want to go lower, then bouncing back. Wow, this kind is actually really hard to estimations. But yeah, we'll be ending our live streaming sessions in another 4 minutes. So I hopefully everyone you can give us some support by liking, share, maybe can share to your friends, like and subscribe. Okay, this is early stage, so we still have a lot of things to improve. I'm sure that I will be improving in the future. Not so sure what can we improve, but probably on the trading part not so sure can we maybe we can put the control T. Maybe we can put the control T. Control T maybe putting from starting from here. Can we adjusting from here? Control T sighting out. Can we actually move this? Oh yeah, I think we can actually okay. Maybe we can actually put it right around here. We're not looking good, It's actually not looking good. Shit, shit, shit. Yeah, not looking good. Was thinking to put back around this level. I think I might need to have something to let them eye-catching at the moment. Maybe need to keep on showing the control tier so that will be much more eye-catching. Yeah, because once people enter the live streaming sessions, probably the first thing need to watch through some kind of informations. The most interesting information should be the profit. I think this is the most straightforward. The profits and the profit challenge, what's the process, and so on. So I think there's a lot of things to improve in the future. Okay. So anyway, right now we do speculations that the price is going higher. Damn, keep on changing the directions after 9 o'clock. So too bad. But anyway, we do really speculations that the price will be going higher and maybe reaching to 83. So after that, let's see how it turns out. Okay. So hopefully everyone do really like our live streaming sessions and give us some supports. Okay. So this is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, 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 boom. Mhm. Okay. Need to be improving more. See, is it possible to reaching back towards on the higher sides? Reaching more, going back. Okay, so I think that's all for today. So thank you for everyone watching and do really hope that everyone can keep on focusing and give us some support by keep on watching my live streaming sessions so that we can actually push up the algorithm to everyone else. But I think there's a lot of improvement lah. So yeah, I will be keep on improving. So thank you for everyone watching and we'll